Bitcoin has officially opened a candle above our major descending previous resistance line. And if we manage to close above it, this is an official breakout. And I think we could see prices as high as 60,000 coming up this weekend, or even as high as 63,000 later on next week. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and as of today, we are 203 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. Heads up to our members, brand new future forecast episode. Before you sell your altcoins, watch this. And Bitcoin to reclaim 60K by next week with this data. Before you decide to sell your altcoins, hold on. Let us show you why selling might not be the best move right now, despite recent frustration. Today is not about feelings or hopefully analysis. We're going to look directly at the metrics that control the altcoin season, and you'll see for yourself why selling altcoins right now might be the worst decision you can make. We're also going to be giving some updates on our trade setups. We've had some questions about that recently, so we're going to be going over some buy limits that have hit and new take profits that are set accordingly. More on that later. Let's jump right into the analysis. Today we're looking at Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame, trading with the TC top and bottom finder, support and resistance levels. This is one I don't use often, so I'm excited to show you. We're also using the price versus while money flow and the trades in favor indicators. As I zoom out here, you're going to see the chart setups that we've had for quite some time now. Firstly, we are in a major bull flag pattern. Second, we have a descending resistance that we've been trying to break. This is now support, and our new resistance can be found here. We also have a resistance zone horizontally sitting between $58,400 and $60,771, and we've tried so hard to break into that resistance zone above $58,400, but to no avail quite yet. Hopefully, this candle opening and closing above our previous resistance will constitute a break to the upside. From there, we also have a buy zone between $47,000 and $50,500. Now, I think we'll be hard pressed to drop that far down in this market, but if we do, if whales continue selling out, especially with Mt. Gox still redistributing their Bitcoin, there is a possibility of a drop that far. So we just want to call this a buy zone. Those would be crazy discounted prices to pick up some Bitcoin. But our main focus today is going to be this resistance line. I think it's going to be much harder to break down from here. And with that in mind, we're actively testing $58,400. Whale money continues to move into the market as it has for over a week now. And where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So this is highly bullish. At this time, we're testing around the 38 line on the price versus while money flow. This is still considered highly oversold and means that we could see prolonged periods of whales buying in. At the same time, the trades in favor is low, showing a 69% chance of a pump. And we got a strong buy signal recently. All three of these signals are highly bullish. And while it's not quite a bullish trifecta, we did receive that recently, and we can call that a confirmation. Now, the future forecast video is going to talk more about this, but we have a lot more buying pressure in the market with some liquidity that we need to take out as high as structural resistance right about here at $63,800. Now, we have a long journey. It's going to be a tough battle to get to that point, but we're looking for that value anywhere between $60,700 and $63,800 to come out by the end of next week, which would be July 20th. From the current price, a move up to that level would be a 10% move. Guys, that is a crazy move, and we really want to see that for Bitcoin. At this point, I'm not too worried about the Mt. Gox redistributions, and that's because whales are buying up like crazy. You can see right here, whale money is moving into the market. Whales are buying up any amount of exit liquidity that is happening, and it means that while we may see a little bit of volatility in the short term, it's not something we need to worry about. Now, another indicator I want to bring out here is going to be the Breakout Detector. We're getting excited because the Breakout Detector shows we are dropping in volatility, and I'm betting over the weekend we could even drop into the breakout zone. Generally, periods of low volatility tell us that we are about to see a really strong move soon. We call this the jackpot indicator because it means that we can expect huge moves. And based on the fact that the rest of the indicators are bullish, if we get a drop down into that breakout zone, we can expect a breakout move to the upside. With all of that in mind, I do want to set some alerts. I wouldn't be shocked to see a buy signal here on the 1-day time frame after this candle close. So what we're going to do is head to the alerts tab. We're going to create alert. We're going to go to the TC top and bottom finder, keep it at a buy signal once per bar close, and we're going to name it Bitcoin 1-day buy. Click create. One more alert, same thing, TC top and bottom finder, but this time it's going to be a strong buy once per bar close, and name it Bitcoin 1-day strong buy. Click create. And these two signals are going to let you know as soon as we get a buy or strong buy signal in this market. And you can see whenever this happens, buy or strong buy, we're getting moves up. And that's why it is so important to pay attention to, especially with the other two indicators showing bullish. Now, over this weekend, I want you to be able to pay attention to these charts. You need to have these loaded up and you need to have these alerts set. It is crucial that you're able to catch the next buy signal for the subsequent move up. And it's especially important to see if we're able to drop into the breakout zone this weekend because it means much bigger moves are coming up next week. Now, members, you're going to get up to $550 off these indicators with the member exclusive indicator coupon codes. You can join us for the brand new future forecast episodes and access the trade setups, metrics across 40 coins, morning brew overview, and inner circle live Zoom hangouts, with the next one coming up later this month, all with a single membership. Links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. Membership is the first link, and we want to snag this first because it's actually cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Full access, $65 a month, everything I just showed you and more is yours. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and once you have your membership, head to the second link for the indicators. Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for, and members, your first $150 off can be found with the coupon code at this link. Once you have that, click Pro Indicator Pack. Go ahead and scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you the full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the membership today for that brand new future forecast episode. Don't miss out.